Hi friends, this is Akshay and today I am going to suggest some free Udemy certificate courses. Today there are many certificate courses, so please watch full video. Maybe there is some courses waiting for you, and here is the first one: convert black and white photos to ultra color with AI. It is a graphic design course and also related with photo editing. So those who are interested in photo editing can choose this course. And now I'm going to add this in my cart, and here is go to cart option. Now we have to apply the coupon, and the coupon is too long for this, so I also provide this in the description below, so you can directly copy from that and go and apply. And here this course is free now, and now I'm going to show you how to check out and go to the course. And here I am check out it, and now I am going to this course by my courses. Here my courses option, and now start course. Now the second one is SQL Masterclass, SQL for Data Analytics. It is very important course and also a 4.3 rated course, and 90,301 students joined already. So this course is very interesting and very demanding, and the coupon code for this is Maker 2020. Maker 2020 is the coupon code for this, and now course is also free. Now we are moving to the next one, that is of IoT, Internet of Things. This course is most demanding in nowadays, and also there is a course from Google in Internet of Things. So I also going to upload answers of that course is provided by Coursera, not Udemy. So I already put the video on that, so you watch them. And here it is showing 1050. Now this course is only 525. Why? Because there are many courses in our cart. Now remove that courses and then check out. Now apply coupon for this. You also, if you have any courses in your cart, then coupon is invalid for that instant. So you make sure that there is no more courses. And now we are moving to the next course, that is Microsoft Excel Masterclass for Business Managers. And here what you will learn in this course: solid understanding of Microsoft Excel, knowledge for all the essential Excel formats. It is also a best course for this Microsoft Excel, because there are more than 1,07,000 students already joined this course, and the coupon code for is on your screen, Maker 2020. And you also join if you want Microsoft Excel. It's a very interesting course. Now we are moving to the next one, that is Electrical Transformers Testing and Diagnostics. Now it is also important for the electrical engineering branches. Many students demanding for the courses which are from different branches like electrical, civil. I put all the courses in description, so you can see from that which course you want. Now here the coupon code is also too long. I also put this code in description. You can copy from that. It is easy to you. Now this course is also free. Next course is the most important course, and only 1 hour you need to take a certificate from the Udemy, and only 1 hour TJ Walker's course on public speaking and presentation skills class. And it is also a high rated course, that is 4.4 rated course, and only for 1 hour it is charging Rupees 525. So you can think that this course is how much important. So I am going to add this in my cart and apply the coupon for this. I request you all to join this course, because only 1 hour, nothing is to do. Only you can watching a video, that is very excellent video from this instructor. And the coupon code for this is, you can see on the screen. It is also a long coupon code. So I also join this course, and hope you all enjoy these courses. If you have any query, then you can join me on Instagram, that is Career Age is my Instagram ID. Thanks for watching, friends.